Hello friends, I have a suggestion for the institute. Over the last year I have realized a large number of students fail in practical subjects like financial reporting, SFM or SCMPE, not because they don't know the answers, not because they can't write the answers, but they don't have sufficient time to write the answers. I have seen the length of the paper. It is too high. Okay, there are many questions. Questions are very lengthy. It takes a lot of time to interpret the questions and then frame a step of answer that the student will follow. And that really consumes a lot of time. Given 3 hours, many times subjects like SMPE or financial reporting or SFM, they are difficult to complete. Let us say, for example, question on consolidation comes and questions on chain holding problem comes. It itself take 1.5 hours to completely solve the problem in a nice manner so that the examiner can understand. But then if one question consumes 1 hour, 1.5 hours, then what about the other question? And then the student goes into panic mode because he does not have time to solve the remaining question, and in a hurry, in numerical subject he makes mistake after mistakes. There are calculations error, there are writing errors, speed of writing increases and that affects his handwriting, which probably the examiners can't understand. In subjects like elective subjects, the institute has allowed extra 1 hour for completion of those elective subjects, whereas there you have an open book exam. The student can open the book and also write the answer. It happened in FSCM. 3 case studies were from the institute's past case studies or case digest. It was so easy for the students to write. Why not we allow even 1 extra hour for numerical subjects like financial reporting, SFM and SCMPE? And the institute will find more and more students are able to get the results better. Many students have failed in FR, SFM or SCMP subject because they get 39 marks, 44 marks, and when I asked them what was the reason, they said we could only complete 75 marks, we could only complete 80 marks, or we could complete 65 marks, even though I could have solved the other questions also, but I could not because of lack of time. So if we are allowing additional hour for elective subjects, my request to the institute is that we can allow some extra hours, maybe 1 hour for subjects like FR and SFM and also SCMP. According to the other subjects, the institute can take a decision of allowing half an hour or 1.5 hour like DT or IDT. Even in CP exam which I had appeared, the number of hours varies from paper to paper. There also for financial reporting paper, we were allowed 4.5 hours to complete the paper, whereas in subject called business, we were allowed only 2.5 hours to complete the paper. So the gap was 2.5 hours in one paper and 4.5 hours in other paper, because the nature of the subject is such that it demands time to solve the problem. So what is the point in failing a student who can pass given few minutes extra to him? Should the objective be to fail the student or should the objective be to pass the student? India needs talented resources. India needs skillful resources. There is no point in failing a deserving student just because you give him such a lengthy paper that he cannot write. Different students have different writing speed also, and that also affects certain students. I humbly request the institute to consider my decision and allow the students 1 extra hour for those subjects which are lengthy. I hope institute will listen to my request. I also request those who are watching this video to kindly share this video with more and more people so that the institute will get the message and they might think it either for December exam or for next year exam at least. some beginning has to be made on this direction. Thank you very much for watching this video.